This is a quick demo of the federated collaboration in national infrastructure in Czech Republic. There is a Czech scientist who has shared their research and an international scientist from a different community that was invited to share in the research. So as that scientist, I go to the Czech National Notebooks instance where I can log in with my own credentials. In this case it's EGI, but it could be any other member of EOSC Federation in EOSC Beyond. I go through the logon process as I'm used to from my home institute. I'm offered to start a Jupyter server. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's starting. Let's see. It went pretty quickly, okay. Now let's open the terminal. This is a short cameo for a horizontal adapter developed in Beyond, checking my OIDC token, at least for validity. So let's see if it's there and if it's valid. Okay, ample time, this is fine. And let's try to replicate the dataset. Paste in the DOI I've been given. And it's downloading, okay. Seems fine and relatively quick. And yeah, it has been downloaded into a directory, so let's see what's in there. There are metadata for the dataset and an archive with the data, probably. Let's see. Yeah, they have left a subdirectory with the data, obviously, and a notebook that should work on the data. So let's see what the notebook looks like. Okay, play the first cell. It just gives an overview, number of data files in the dataset. Let's play it all. Okay, seems to be running. And now appears to be done. So let's roll up, see what we got. Okay, we have the first cell, then some overview of data. And here we get obviously a vegetation index for the affected area. They have shared a dataset for an area that has been affected by forest fire in 2022. And we see vegetation indices dropping after that. And here they have provided a comparator. Obviously I can choose two dates, so let's choose this August and August before the fire in 2021. Okay, there's obvious difference mainly on the left of the image, that's for sure. Here we can see how the difference is highlighted even more. And that's all for the demo. Next time we can see how the dataset has been prepared and published.